Hi folks, and welcome back to the Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corinne.
And we have something special for you today.
Today we're out in the cold and snowy weather. We wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a very Happy New Year.
And we'd also really like to thank all of our subscribers and the folks that have taken time to watch and support our videos. We really appreciate all the love and support you've given us over the last year.
Yes, thank you very much from both of us. And for something a little different this week, to get you in the holiday spirit, we wanted to share with you a little travel video of a recent visit to Virginia City, Nevada, and share with you all the lights and the holiday cheer of this wonderful little historic town.
So pop a couple more marshmallows in that hot chocolate. That's what we're going to be doing, and we hope you enjoy the video. Bye, folks. We sure hope you enjoyed that video and your hot chocolate.
We're wishing you a very happy and healthy new year for 2022.
And until next year, Corinne and I are going to be out shooting videos and taking photographs, and we sure hope you'll continue to watch and subscribe and give us those old thumbs up.
Thanks again. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup